What up, guys? Devin here. Right now we're doing fireworks. Max's little sister is crying because she doesn't like fireworks, and yeah.
What the heck is my phone?
I don't know.
I mean, from a flip. Yes, I have it from the phone.
For what?
Because I want it.
You don't need it.
Well, I need it if I want it. It's my phone.
Okay, so guys.
He's just finding his phone.
Yeah, but I can't take off the tape. Like, it takes forever.
We're at Max's grandma's house right now.
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
It's Frank in here. We are doing fireworks out here.
Max,
What the heck?
do you have long fingernails?
No.
I kind of
yesterday.
do.
Take off this tape.
I kind of do.
Take off
Can
that
you
tape.
record me, please? Wait.
Why don't I sit here and take off the stuff? And then just hand it over.
We have two cameras facing you. Look, Olivia, we have two fingers. Two of them.
Max, which one do you want to do next? Give it to Graham.
I can't do this.
Ooh, what should we pick? Comment down below, guys.
Okay, guys, I had to try to take some tape off this.
Oh, dude,
savage.
dude, this one, dude.
Yeah.
Guys, we're
bro.
doing the hobo.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah, that one looks so funny right now. Look, it's called the It's called the hobo.
Dude, it just stopped my phone.
Oopsies.
It stopped my
A hobo. A hobo. Yeah. What's wrong? What?
Nothing. I'm just getting my little scissors and my glasses so I can take this tape off.
Oh. Hey Max, can Kenan be on YouTube? Huh? No. Okay. Only me and you can? Finish that, guys. We're fixing to run. Oh man.
The first light, it doesn't light.
I know, right?
Every time. We have to use matches because we don't have those lighter things.
Yeah. Oh my
Matches
goodness.
suck.
Grandy, I have any more matches? Sticks suck.
Oh god.
God, Callie.
Oh my god.
These bugs are beating me up.
Yeah, me too. Like
killing me.
mosquitoes.
Come on, Keenan.
Come on, come on. Let's go, guys, guys. Run. Yep.
Oh my God, guys! Dude, that car, the car is coming. Dude, watch out, Keenan.
There's a car coming.
Once Gran jumped over one of these.
Really?
He jumped over a firework. Oh my God, guys!
Yeah, guys, this is so loud. Bro, it's so loud. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, guys, that was pretty
I'm
sick.
gonna give him a warning.
Oh, what?
A warning that you should not wear headphones.
You're savage.
Why?
Guys, if y'all are headphones, do not wear headphones for this.
Y'all ready for
Okay? Do not wear headphones.
Why shouldn't you wear headphones? Huh?
But what's up, guys? It's Swag Kid, 17 years old, boy. Dude, the flashlight.
Yeah, you get it. But it's gonna be dark because we don't have the flashlight.
Never stand over a firework.
Yeah, Gran did that before.
Grand does some crazy stuff.
Yep.
She's a savage. You know?
I'm a savage too.
We're not like Gran.
We're both savage. Me and Max are both savage.
We're safe.
We're both savage, guys.
Whoa, that is actually savage.
Yeah.
When I do like a couple of these big ones, I'm just going to come outside and leave her in for a minute.
Why did you jump over a firework one time?
How did you know about that?
Max wants to tell her.
Your patch just keeps coming up the whole.
Me and Max are both savage.
Guys?
Any of those.
Me and Max are both
Max,
savage.
these. We gotta pick out these.
Why shouldn't you wear headphones for fireworks?
Which one?
See that one?
Oh yeah.
I stopped the video for a second.
Where's the
You guys, we're lighting a really good flashlight. There's a flashlight.
Right
Look,
here.
shine it to where I can see too. Okay. I need to be over see. At least I don't have the flashlight.
I know, right?
So I don't have to drop it. You get to have the flashlight for the rest, so you can have it. You can see more on your phone.
Yeah.
Cause I had it the whole time. Shine it. Cause I'll get super close.
Crap, guys. Guys, this is epic though.
There we go. Pop.
Big
God, it's
Daddy.
gonna scare the crap out of me. I might drop
I
my
know,
phone.
right? Me
might drop
too.
them.
Guys,
I'm holding it on
beware.
super tight.
Beware, I may drop my phone.
And beware, do not wear headphones.
Why?
It might be too loud and pop their ears.
Yeah.
It's been 2 minutes.
I know it's like doing nothing. Oh God.
Oh, there we
Okay.
go.
What? Yeah. Dang, guys. Guys.
Okay, guys, I think it's
Dang,
done.
the bugs are
I'm gonna turn
eating my
around.
flipping up.
Get us some off.
Where's Callie?
We need some off.
It's okay, Callie.
Watch out, I'm
Coming in. All those are ready, but hold on, I'm getting them some off.
Guys, that was like epic. But now we're gonna probably do a big one. I don't know.
Here.
I feel bad for Callie. Yeah, I need some off too. Like,
Come on, we'll do that outside.
yeah. Those guys, the bugs are so bad. We need some off. Like the bugs are so flipping bad. Crap, guys.
Hold your arms out. Turn around.
Want me to turn around?
Yeah, good.
Okay, guys, we're ready.
Okay, guys, I just got some off on both of them.
Yeah,
Flashlight, dude. Where the heck is the flashlight?
I've not. Oh, I don't want to do the flashlight.
No, you have.
No, I don't.
I already did a couple of times.
Okay, fine. I'll do it for a couple times.
Do it one more time. Hey, guys, we're doing the witch.
We're doing the
record
wish,
the
guys. The wish.
The witch.
The witch. I know.
Snowman.
Do you need some off? We
That's
got off
the one
on.
that we're doing right there.
Yeah,
We're doing some witches
the witch.
potion. I think that's what it's called.
Oh my God.
I hate these matches.
I do too. They're probably old.
After this, I'm gonna go ask Fran for some more arts matches.
Yeah.
Ask her if she has a big lighter.
Yeah.
Dude, shine the light on it. You guys, it's 7 minutes.
Oh.
Just stop the flashlight.
Oh dang. What?
Guys, I'm just gonna start pausing whenever we're lighting it and whenever it starts. I'm gonna unpause. Dude, look how epic that is.
I know, right? It is epic.
Guys, I'm under a big tree.
Yeah. So am I.
I'm zooming in.
So.
Oh, look at this. Dude. Look at this. Guys. Dude, look how cool it looks on the camera.
I know, right?
It's way cooler.
Yep.
I'm shaking.
Mine too.
Like. Oh my god.
Whoa, that's awesome, bro.
Dude, look at it. It looks like I'm right there.
I know.
Dude, it
right?
looks like lots of candles.
It does.
No, only on the
no-
camera.
Yeah. It actually does.
I'm giving y'all an actual view. This is how far away we are.
Yeah. Yeah, we're actually this
Oh,
far.
there's the alien.
Look what this is. Look what it's doing. How?
Whoa! That's how bad it is?
Yeah.
Dude, you did a hashtag.
Oh crap! Dang. Who cares? I don't
Ah,
need a.
dang, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, it's like lights.
Yeah. Where's the? Dang! Just end already.
No, this one's alone.
No, it's like in red, bro.
Whoa, it is. It's like
No, this on mine.
evil color.
No, look.
Oh, mine too.
No, you don't have that line. See, it's red.
Whoa. How do you have the line?
I don't know.
Okay, guys.
I have no idea.
That's pretty good.
Yep. Yeah, guys. That was pretty good.
I'm not picking that one yet. It's still going. It's still going.
What? Are you kidding me? It tricked us.
Hey, move. Grant can't see.
Bro, what? Oh my god.
Move, move, move.
Take out the stop it.
Y'all don't stand right in front of it when it's happening. We can't, like, if y'all stand right in front of that wheel right there, we can't see.
Why?
Because we can't see. Y'all standing right in front of that wheel, we can't see.
Can you hear it, Callie?
Just
From in here?
sparkles. Just some mild little pops when it's explosions, but they ain't going nothing.
Yeah. Guys, I'm not ending this yet, but Max ended his.
No, I didn't.
Freak.
I just paused it.
Oh, yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause this right now, and then the next one we're gonna I'm
Right,
gonna
dudes, unlock.
unpause. Okay. Oh crap! I need some more
I have to get in it.
What?
I have to get in it. I have more Dr. Pepper. I have to
Okay.
be here. I'll get it in a minute.
Okay. Guys, where the freak? What the freak? What the freak? What the flip?
Oh, Olivia, go ask him if they have.
Kenan needs a big lighter.
Okay. A big lighter?
Yeah, that's what he said. Or a little lighter. Grant said we don't have any. They don't have any. Guys, I'm probably gonna end this. When are you ending it?
I'm not in until all the
I have one in
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause this for a while.
Where did you fit?
Guys, I'm gonna probably have to end this right now. I don't know, but like literally, I'm gonna have to pause. Yeah, I'm gonna pause this. I'm not gonna end it.
Come on!
Bye.
Who are you talking?
Crap, guys.
That's scary. What the firework flipped over it? Did it like shot at the house?
Wow.
Guys, if y'all didn't hear me, what the firework flipped over and shot at the house?
Alright, what we got next?
Do the frog.
Hey, Callie. You okay? What? Now what?
Just come out. Don't go back in there. So scary.
Callie, it's okay.
Stop going in. Every time you go in, I go in. Hey guys,
Why?
we're about to light the frog.
Ow, crap, my teeth. Ow. Oh, crap. Dang. Dang, something keeps rubbing.
So you need to end your vlog and like turn it back on, and then like so that that thing won't be there.
What do you mean? Guys, I'm gonna have to end this right now.